My name is Faith Mama Roberts. I'm currently a Web3 developer. I write smart contracts and I do front-end integrations with smart contracts. Currently looking into zero knowledge and cryptography because I'm advancing into infrastructure development. I currently work for Timbuktu DAO as a technical trainer for their Web3 cohorts. And also I lead React.js community where we do hackathons, we share resources for those coming into the tech space to start their journey. Before joining Web3Bridge, I was more like all over the place. I didn't have a particular focus or a particular vision. So at Web3Bridge, I was able to find what I really had passion in doing. When it came to technology, I was able to go and get it. And since then, I've just been doing blissfully in this space. I was part of cohort 8 at Web3Bridge, and my happiest moment was when most of our cohort members, during the end of our cohort, got the Starknet grant. That really gave most of us the boost we needed, the kickstarting, the foundation we needed to thrive in the blockchain space. So I as a community member, part of Collab Kaduna in Kaduna State, and Collab is a co-working space and an ICT hub. So I was tutoring at Collab, helping those who are starting their tech journey learn the foundation of web development. So I was training and I came across I think my third set of students, I came across a student named Juliet, and she was undergoing the training because she wanted coming to Web3Bridge. And so we got talking after some time into the cohort, and she told me this is her reason of joining the training. And I was like, okay, cool. We would be able to build your skills to be able to get into Web3Bridge. And that was my introduction to Web3Bridge. Before Web3Bridge, I actually started my Web3 journey, Solidity programming, but they were all online. I did with different protocols. And because it was online, the curriculum was too cumbersome to actually study and really understand what you're doing on your own. Although there were tutors, but the students were too much for the tutors to have a one-on-one session with anyone struggling or having issues. So Web3Bridge clicked with me because I saw that Web3Bridge had a hostel. It had an on-site facility, and that would help me block out the noise, block out any form of distraction from previous place I've been working, or from family, or just anything that would distract me at the moment while I'm learning. And that was why I opted in for Web3Bridge. And truly, coming to the campus really blocked me out from every noise, every distraction, and I was really focused on my learning. Just like I always tell anybody that meets me, tell them about Web3Bridge. I tell them about the technology called the Web3 technology and how it's like the in thing, how it opens your mind and makes you do so many things that makes you feel like a superhuman. So if you're listening to me out there, I'll tell you, if you are ready to start your Web3 journey, then start now. Come to Web3Bridge. They have a tailored approach to help you kickstart your journey and achieve that plan you have for yourself. And trust me, at the end, you'll be a superhuman that you actually wanted to be.